Hello, it's Miss Jessica. I'm sitting outside in the woods, and today I'm going to read We're Going on a Nature Hunt. What's going to happen in this book? Let's find out. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. It's time to go. We're coming to a bridge. You see the bridge? A narrow, shaky bridge. What's on the other side? Let's find out. Cross, cross, cross to the other side. Now they cross the bridge. Where do you think they're going to go next? Oh, look what they found. It's a field of fluttery, buttery wildflowers. Look at those colorful flowers. But don't pick them. Just smell them. Remember, boys and girls, if you find flowers out in the woods, just leave them there. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. It's time to go. Oh, what are they coming to? We're coming to a pond, a clear, sparkling pond. What's in the pond? Let's find out. Paddle, paddle, paddle to the lily pad. What is that? It's a slippery, slobbery frog. Look at that frog. Jump and swim. But don't scare it. Don't scare the frog. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a meadow, a wide and hilly meadow. What's in the ground? Let's find out. Dig, 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 down in the ground. It's a worm! Look at that wiggly, waggly worm. But don't hurt it. You can hold a worm, but be gentle. God created those worms. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a tree, a tall and leafy tree. What's in that tree? Let's find out. Oh, this boy is getting thirsty, so he's drinking a bottle of water. Excuse me. What does this girl have? What is she holding? Do you guys know what those are called? Those are called binoculars. Those help us see far when we're outside. Guess what? Miss Jessica has her binoculars. Oh, I see you. Climb, climb, climb up the crooked branch. It's a scritchety-scratchety nest. Look at those eggs in the robin's nest. Shh, but don't touch. Boys and girls, if you ever find eggs in a nest, don't touch them. There's baby birds in there. Ooh, what's that noise? It's very close. It's making a buzzy sound. It's a beehive. Let's go. Gotta get away from the bees. Back down the tree. See them going back down the tree? Back through the meadow. They're going back through the meadow. Run as fast as you can. Oh, they're paddling their boat. Back across the pond. Then back across the bridge. They made it home. We're home. We went on a nature hunt. The day went by so fast. We went on a nature hunt. Now we're home at last. Okay, thanks for reading my book today. Tomorrow, Miss Jessica's going to go on a nature hunt. We're going to find out what I can find. I'm going to paddle in my canoe, and I'm going to search with my binoculars. So please come join me tomorrow. I miss you. See you soon.